This is where you felt something's going to give. He's been itching to get on strike. First boundary of the final. Cuts and cuts hard. That's typical Dilshan.
Edge and taken. A good catch at first slip. Pace and bounce, and this time movement too for Zaid Khan. Gets the outside edge. And they've claimed Uppal Taranga. Lovely shot. The Sangakkara cover drive.
And so Sangakkara has to go over the field. If they're stopping him on the ground, take the aerial route. Another nice drive down the ground. Save your legs, 4 more back-to-back boundaries. Has he gone? Has he been bowled round his legs? I think so. The Indians celebrate. It's come off some part of his body. Harbhajan takes the wicket.
It's hit in the gap, and that would go all the way for 4. The short delivery pulled away in the gap would get a boundary from Mahela.
Does play that shot well. Now that's a classy shot from Mahela Jayawardene. Brilliant placement. Excellent footwork. Now this is high quality batting from both these players. He's got him. Outside edge. This is a huge wicket. And against the run of play, because these two were making batting look easy.
And that brings up the 50 for Mahela Jayawardene. 50 of 49 balls. And now she's relaxed. Stay there, she tells. 155 for 3.
Slower ball in the air, gone. Beautifully bowled from Zahir. Yes, take a bow. That was a beauty of a slower delivery. Gets the full ball, gets it through into our high-class batting. Pulled away behind square. There is a man in the deep. Will he get there? No. 4 more. Back of the length, in the slot. That has gone all the way. First 6 of the match, and it's a biggie. Goes offside. Save your legs. Mahela Jayawardene, a high-class innings from a high-class player. The biggest of stages. And the Sri Lankan has delivered. What an innings. Quicker ball, swatted down the ground. 4 more. To mid-on, over mid-on. 4 more. Last ball of the innings. In the slot. Whacked away. What a way to end the innings. All the way for 6. Momentum for Sri Lanka, 18 from the last over. They believe. Sri Lanka believe.
Oh, this is going to be close. The finger goes up. And Virendra Sehwag has gone for a review instantly. All Sri Lanka needed for it to clip. Well, he's a goner. No inside edge. That was the only thing that could have saved Virendra Sehwag. 3 reds. Once again, the finger goes up to confirm his original decision. Oh, rushing in was the fielder at square leg. That's a boundary to Gautam Gambhir. Oh, that was glorious. The broad bat of Sachin Tendulkar in the straight drive. Splendid shot. No chance for Muthaiya Muralidharan. He watches the ball go by. He's gone for it. He's going to pick up a boundary. Outside edge and taken. Good low catch by Kumar Sangakkara, and just watch out for the celebration. Lasith Malinga is unstoppable.
Well, Virat Kohli showing his class.
Chipped. Intelligent play. Little skip down the pitch, hits it for 4.
That's a good shot over extra cover.
That's a good strike. Picked his spot nicely. No one deep on the onside. There's one bounce over the rope. 50 for Gautam Gambhir, and it's a very well-paced innings this under pressure. India lost a couple of early wickets. They were 31 for 2 at one stage.
Beautifully played. Back up for 4. In the air, gone, brilliant. Dilshan with the knack of getting wickets. He gets one here, a crucial one.
Dilshan bowling a full, Kohli getting a leading edge, and what a catch that is. He's a brilliant fielder.
Back foot this time, powerful shot into the offside. Oh yes, it's powerful. Smashed away into the offside, and we talk powerful. There's another. Smashed away. Absolutely heaved into the leg side.
That's one of his favourite shots. Great shot. And that brings up the 50, the first 50 for Mahendra Singh Dhoni in this tournament. And no celebration. He knows there's a bigger mission on here. 204 for 3.
Baldem! A needless shot coming down the track, looking to hit through the offside. Gets an inside edge. And the ball crashes onto middle stump. Pulled away in grand fashion, and a nice way to open the account. That's a fierce square cut over the boundary. That's hit very hard through the offside. Onside, 4 more. He's doing it easily. Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Well, there's the man, Sachin Tendulkar. He's been carried by his team. He's loved by his team. He's loved by his country. He's loved by the cricketing world. What an icon of the game.
MS Dhoni will collect the World Cup trophy, and he'll get it from Mr. Sharad Pawar, the president of the ICC. The party begins in Mumbai.